Plan design, we will see this wonderful floor plan. So first floor and ground floor. First floor we have number of 3 bedroom, 1 family hall and 1 small office, all with attached bathroom and wide space lobby. And ground floor you can see here, this is family hall and this is wide hall, dining, 1 bedroom. You can consider guest room and pantry. So we will see this one by one. So this is our first floor. Everything column layout, door, window, everything arranged in very much proper way. So we will start this from here. So you can see here, this is our entrance. We are getting 290 by 350. This side wide hall, 1140 by 700 centimeter, and this 2 side window, one here and one here. Then we are coming here, this is lobby and washroom and toilet. Toilet size 220 by 190 centimeter, washroom size 300 by 220, and lobby 250 by 220. This is our arch for entrance, like without door. And this is dining hall, 700 by 500. Back side also provided entrance, and this side window you can see, and this side window. So very wide dining hall. Then we are getting, this is our pantry, our kitchen, 440 by 360, and this side 250. This is window for ventilation purpose, and this is our stair going this way and reaching this way. We will see that one. This is our bedroom, 720 by 550. This side window and this side window. This is our bathroom and dress area, 2 meter by 3 meter, 230 by 200 centi. And this is window for exhaust purpose. This is our family hall when we entering here. So this is our wide family hall, 930 by 500. This side window and this side window. So this wonderful ground floor plan. Now we will see our first floor plan. So we are reaching here, and this side window for stair. Then this bedroom, 700 by 500 centimeter, and this attached bathroom with dress, 220 by 280, 300 by 220. This is our pantry, 160. Again this side our bedroom, this side window, 660 by 700, and this side window. This dress area, 280 by 220, and 400 by 220 centimeter our bathroom. This is our wide family hall, 930 by 500 centimeter, and this is office, 390 by 330. Now this bedroom, 720 by 550, and this is attached bathroom, 230 by 200 centimeter, 300 by 200 centimeter. So this wonderful floor plan you can see here is completely ready with column, wall, window, doors, everything. Column given 20 by 50, and wall everywhere 20 centimeter, and window 150 centimeter. Single leaf door for bedroom, 90 centimeter, for dining 1 meter, for pantry 80 centimeter, for bathroom 80 centimeter, and for wide entrance 150 centimeter. So this wonderful floor plan. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.